What is up, fellow Pyro Fanatics? It's Pimp Daddy 28 here. And in this video, I'm going to show you guys my 2022 canister shell comparison demo. As I mentioned before in the preview, we're going to be doing 36 different shells, 2 shells for each canister shell kit. Now in terms of the totals, we got 9 different 6-inch cans, 17 different 5-inch cans, 8 different regular 4-inch cans, and I think 2 1.5-inch cans. So, and I think on top of that we have about three or four bonus shells as well that I won't mention the names of, but I'll include them at the end of the demo. All right, so that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoy this demo, and let me know what you think. Okay, we got Bada Bang by Miracle Fireworks. Shell number 1. Damn. Okay, we got Bada Bang by Miracle, shell number 2. Damn. Low break. Okay, we got Munchies by Pyro High, shell number 1. Damn. Okay, we got Munchies by Pyro High, shell number 2. Nice. Alright. Smoke and Mirrors by Brothers, shell number 1.
What is Smoke and Mirrors?
Not bad. Pretty good.
Nice.
Damn. Smoke and Mirrors, shell number 2. Damn. Alright, we got Arms Depot by Raccoon, shell number 1. Damn. Arms Depot, shell number 2. Okay, we got Voices in the Sky by Pyro Demon, shell number 1. Damn. Pyro Demon hits. Okay, we got Voices in the Sky, shell number 2. Not bad, pretty good. Okay, we got Ammo by Miracle, shell number 1. Damn. Miracle makes good shells.
Yeah, they do.
Okay, we got Ammo by Miracle, shell number 2. Nice mine. Nice break. Okay, we got Pyro Alienware by Boom Wow, shell number 1. Damn. And that's just 4-inch.
Boom Wow from American.
Yep.
Those are nice.
Okay, we got Pyro Alienware, shell number 2. Hate to think what the 5-inch boom wows are going to do.
Oh my god.
Okay, we got Great Mamba by Pyro Diablo, shell number 1. Damn. That was quick. Alright, Great Mamba, shell number 2. Damn. Those hit.
Hopefully this video gets
Okay, we got Nishiki Kamuro King by Hardcore Pyro. Nice. Love,
Hang time.
love those willows.
Not Kamuro King.
All right, Nishiki Kamuro King by Hardcore Pyro. Damn. Hose hit. You just gotta give me the loud shit, don't you?
Yeah, I do.
Okay, we got Minecraft by Raccoon.
Did you get anything from there anymore? No, me neither.
I almost bought these too.
What's this?
Nice.
I should have bought it. That's why I got out.
Not bad.
Too.
All right, Minecraft, shell number 2. Run, Forrest. Damn.
Pyro Dawg.
I
It
bet.
is legal.
Okay, we got Holy Nishiki by Raccoon. Nice.
Today we are celebrating.
Love those willows.
Shooting off a bunch of stuff with Pimp Daddy.
Holy Nishiki, shell number 2.
And Siri, but I like the design. Pretty cool.
Damn.
Whoa, that thing just. Yeah,
That hit.
that's a damn.
Okay, we got 5-inch Nishiki Kamuro by Miracle, shell number 1. Damn. Those hit.
Your reaction all the time, you're like,
I just like it's classic.
Yeah, it's
classic.
They hit, man.
Classic PD28 personality.
Nishiki Kamuro, 5-inch, shell number 2.
And also, I got like Forrest running.
That was nice.
yeah, that one.
Okay, we got Black Rose by Super Fireworks, 5-inch canister shell, number 1. Damn. Okay, Black Rose, shell number 2. Damn. Extra shells. Cakes. Okay, we got Red, White, and Blue by Boom Wow, shell number 1. Damn. Okay, we got Red, White, and Blue by Boom Wow, shell number 2. Damn. Okay, we got Peacock Spider, 5-inch by Raccoon, shell number 1. Nice. Not bad. Okay, we got Peacock Spider, shell number 2. That thing went high. Okay, we got Power Storm by America's Greatest Fireworks, 5-inch shell. Decent. Okay, we got Power Storm by America's Greatest Fireworks, shell number 2. Damn. Okay, we got Excalibur Platinum, shell number 1.
Oh, really?
Damn.
Damn, where are those?
Excalibur Platinum.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow, they juiced him up. Oh man, I should have gotten a box.
All right, Excalibur Platinum, shell number 2.
They're still nice.
Excal's hit. Okay, we got Mamba Spirit by Top Dog.
Not bad picture tent. Yeah, I don't know.
Damn.
I got a nice 2-man Coleman one myself.
Okay, we got Mamba Spirit, by Top Dog, shell number 2.
91 minutes. Wow.
I got my phone connected to the charger.
Woo.
What are those?
Mamba Spirit, Top Dog. Okay, we got Heavyweight, 5-inch by Winda, shell number 1.
Yeah, I like that. One shell.
Damn.
Somebody will come up and be like, oh, how much does that cost? 1,000.
Okay, we got Heavyweight, 5-inch by Winda, shell number 2.
Yeah, that's what I was hoping.
Heavyweights are good. They don't have mines, but they're good. Okay, we got 5-inch Death Punisher by Krypton, shell number 1. Not bad. Alright, 5-inch Death Punisher by Krypton, shell number 2.
Surprised they're that loud.
Yeah, birthday parties. Yeah, stuff like that.
Damn. It's starting to drizzle. Okay, we got 6-inch Holy Grail by Pyro Demon, shell number 1. Nice. Damn. Whew. Okay, we got 6-inch Holy Grail, Pyro Demon, shell number 2. Damn. Pyro Demon hits. Okay, we got Nishiki Dream by T-Sky, 5-inch. Damn. Those hit. Okay, we got Nishiki Dream by T-Sky, shell number 2. Damn. Whew. Those hit. Okay, we got Donut Shells by Winda, shell number 1. Nice. Couldn't see the donut, but it still looked cool. All right, you got Donut Shell by Winda, number 2. Ooh, nice. Nice donuts. Okay, we got Bang Bang by Boom Wow, double break shell, 6-inch. Damn. Those hit at the same time, but they were loud. Okay, we got Bang Bang by Boom Wow, shell number 2. Nice. Yeah, it's a double break. Okay, we got 6-inch Rings of Fire by America's Greatest Fireworks, shell number 1. Damn. That was a donut shell. Okay, we got 6-inch Rings of Fire by America's Greatest Fireworks. Nice. Those are nice. Okay, we got Anti-Containment Matter by Red Lantern, shell number 1. 6-inch shell. Damn. Whew. Those do echo. Okay, we got Anti-Containment Matter by Red Lantern, shell number 2. Damn. Whew. Those hit. Okay, we got 6-inch Tiger Force by Raccoon, shell number 1. Damn. Whew. Okay, we got 6-inch Tiger Force by Raccoon, shell number 2. God! Whew, that hurt. Okay, we got 6-inch Bombs by Miracle, shell number 1. Dear God. That was loud. Miracle makes some good shells. All right, we got 6-inch bombs by Miracle. Shell number 2. Miracle makes good shells. Okay, we got 6-inch Make It Pop by Brothers. Shell number 1. That was nice. Love those whistling cans. Okay, we got Make It Pop, 6-inch by Brothers. Shell number 2. Nice. I guess that other one was a whistling effect, but they don't label the effects, so didn't know what they were. Okay, we got Cobra Kai by Warrior. Shell number 1. Damn. That hit. Cobra Kai. Shell number 2 by Warrior. Ooh, boy. Boy. Okay, we got Death Shells by Dynomite Fireworks. Shell number 1. Let's see how these perform. Damn. Okay, they're loud, but they're not as loud as Ultimate Power. All right, Death Shell number 2 by Dynomite Fireworks. Damn. Woo. That one hit hard. Okay, we got Cowabunga by Smoking Alien. Shell number 1. Whoa. Damn. Low break. We got Cowabunga by Smoking Alien. Shell number 2. There we go. Damn. Okay, we got the 2021 Champ Ultimate Power. Shell number 1. Woo. All right, we got Ultimate Power rewrap of the Death Shells. Shell number 2. I'd say these are definitely better than the Death Shells. God. All right, we got bonus shell number 1. This is the regular 4-inch paper one. Ooh. It's pretty good for 4-inch. Okay, we got bonus shell number 2, paper one. Damn. Real nice. Okay, we got bonus shell number 2, the red colored one. Damn. All right, we got bonus shell number 2, red one. Shell number 2. Second shell. Damn. Whew. Yeah, I'm ready. Okay, we got the 420 shells. Shell number 1. Damn. Oh. Crap. All right, last shell of the night. 420 shell. Shell number 2. Ooh, boy. Oh boy. Those shells were awesome. Hope you guys enjoy this demo.